you say go and then hit record?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're here at a potential camper trailer we might like. Friend of a friend owns it. It's only a year old. It's a 2019 Forest River Cherokee Alpha Wolf. And we're just checking it out. So it's not totally stacked with options. There's no outdoor grill area, but there is the outdoor shower. It's wired for solar because we saw the plug up there. This rack comes down all the way at 90 degrees. That's pretty cool, so you could mount stuff on there for hauling around. So, and I like the fact that it's got the backup camera kit. I don't know if she has the kit, but you can get the kit and it's already wired for it. It's like a wireless backup camera that goes to the truck with a display, and then you can see behind the trailer, which would be super cool.
Yeah, because this thing is long. What is it?
It's 29 feet long. Yeah. 29 feet 4 inches.
Yep.
The other thing I love about these, never done this before. We'll see how easy this is. I hate the stairs on most campers and RVs. But look at that.
Yeah, those are sturdy.
That is solid.
They're usually pretty bouncy.
Yeah. And this is...
Now the jacks aren't down on this thing, so it's going to bounce a bit.
Yeah, I mean, we wouldn't want to put a lot of weight back here, but then again, if I'm too heavy to make this fall over, I got another problem. All right, so the slide is in, of course. But we can see, this is still upgraded. I mean, we've got the USB ports, we've got the power, blackout curtains. They're not the newer ones this year, which are this kind of cool black and white design. But still, previous owner is a dog, or current owner is a dog owner, and she has there's no deformities on the couch though.
No.
This table's seen better days.
Oh, that's a cover on top of it. Lift it up, I think.
That's the table. No. That's the table.
Oh, wow, crazy.
Yeah, it's made to look like that.
Yeah, I guess her dog's chewed on it a bit.
And like I said, the slide is in, but one thing I like about these Forest Rivers too is there's storage under the chairs.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Did you see that right there in the corner down there? You gotta lean down to see it.
Oh yeah, dog chewed on it.
Yeah.
I have to look for that all over the place.
Yeah.
Man, it's definitely smaller than the pictures make it out to be.
Well, like imagine this whole thing is out though.
Yeah, but still, it's pretty small.
Yeah.
You know, I like the sink. Seems to be in decent shape, except for that penny in there. This glass top on here is cool because it's a backsplash too when it's not in use.
Yep. So,
3-burner stove. Looks like she either kept it really clean or never used it. Look at the storage here. I like the LED lights too. That's some good storage. This is a big cabinet.
Yeah, that's a real big cabinet.
It's a big cabinet. I like that there's lights everywhere. And there's actually like blue LED strip light up here. It's not in the picture. I don't know. It's probably in there somewhere. I don't know where it's at, but it's on the stove knobs. You can turn it on right here.
That's cool.
Yeah. This is basically an electric heater.
The fireplace, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can put it's got a stereo DVD player there with speakers to the outside. And then we've got a
mount for TV.
Mount for a TV. I've heard you can put up to a 40-inch there, which is what we have upstairs. Air conditioner, heater.
Here, take that.
Nice pantry. This pantry is huge.
Yeah, I mean, I suspect we would store more than just food in here.
Yeah.
It's much bigger storage than we need for just food. Man, that's big.
Yeah, we'd want to put some shelves and all kinds of stuff in there.
Yeah.
Here's the refrigerator. I'll push. Yeah. It's not huge, but it's bigger than a cooler.
It's like a dorm fridge.
Well, but you also,
But you get a freezer.
Yeah, you also get a freezer. So that's not too bad. If you're organized, you can really make some use of it.
Yep. Small microwave. Way over my head. But
like
usable.
Like the one we have now is not.
I know, that's typical.
Yeah.
Nice backsplash. Okay. Oh, we go through the bathroom?
Yeah,
no,
I like it. Yeah.
Oh,
this is not part of the slide.
I don't think we saw a model like this when we were
No, they all look
shopping
like
around.
this.
They do?
Yep, they all look like this. Here's the test. Goodbye.
I mean, that's one of the better ones we've seen for your shoulders and things.
I have a lot more space than I expected.
Yeah. How's your head?
Great.
Open that door back up. Yeah, looks good with the headroom.
Got plugs all over the place.
Mm-hmm.
Good amount of storage in there. I saw that in videos.
Yeah, that's great for towels and things.
All kinds of stuff. I mean, I wouldn't.
Oh yeah, look at that too.
I wouldn't put just bathroom stuff in there.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. The bed is a queen size bed. It feels tight, but it is a queen size bed.
Yep.
And there's hanging shirt closets, they call them, in both sides, which are actually pretty deep too. You can put other stuff back there, shoes, things like that.
Yeah. What about down below? Is that storage down there as well?
Yeah, actually it is.
Oh. Sweet.
So that's all storage right there.
So that's where we keep our off-season clothing.
Yeah, well, one idea too was to put something up here so you could actually latch this up during the day, and maybe do something where this actually has legs and remove all this and not use it as storage, which you'd have to move that vent too to the floor, but make this a little office space or something during the day. You know,
That's an interesting idea to have it fold up like that, and then you could basically sit at it.
Yeah, it wouldn't have a rolly chair or anything. It'd be like a chair, folding chair or something, but there's also a TV mount with power in the ceiling back here if you wanted to do that.
There's like an excessive amount of TV mounts.
Yeah, how many TVs do you need when you're in an RV?
I guess if they're quick mounts, you can take one and move it around.
Yeah.
Move it from inside to outside.
I wonder what's in here too. Oh, it's the forward storage. That's why you can't get into that space up there.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And there's overhead space too, which is not bad.
Yep.
Kind of small, but good for folding small things.
Yeah.
Good to organize with bins. Man, the idea of fitting all the clothes that I want to wear into like...
But what about this whole space here?
Yeah.
That could all be clothes.
For sure. All off-season or rarely worn things, I suppose.
Yeah. This is me waking up in the morning. Just like that. Man, you can't hear a word. You can't hear a thing I do. You know what I like about this though? This door is garbage, but you know what? There's two doors.
Yeah.
Between here and the living area. I like that. You don't get that in any of the RVs I've seen.
Yeah, that's true. So
well, not any. Some of them have the thing. I think I rolled it off the truck.
don't break that thing we haven't even bought yet.
Well, you know, that's another concern I have with these trailers. They're light. And light is another word for flimsy. Things break. You know another weird thing? The living room has the dark shades. Guess what doesn't?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That is weird.
I mean, these are not blackout shades.
Well, guess we're getting up with the sun every day then.
Like, she's got a shield over here, like a car shield kind of thing. It's probably just to keep heat out of the inside to begin with, because the sun's over there a lot.
Yeah.
But, yeah, crazy. This is where I work. That's where all my work would happen. Sitting here, doing
I mean, with the slide out,
yeah,
I feel like that's 100% doable.
You get another
You know what's
2-3 feet right here.
You know what's not happening in here? For height reasons?
That Peloton?
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a dream that I could put the Peloton bike right here.
No.
I'd have to remove this.
Yeah.
And even sitting on the bike, I would be like, I mean, I can't even stand here.
Does it go up at all when the slide out is out?
No, it just goes up. This is it.
That's not a tall person friendly.
No.
But I guess trailers are like that, right?
Yeah, they got some short spots.
Yeah.
So, well.
That's storage.
So this does not have solar wired into it, because on most of the ones I've seen, There's a solar readout up here. It's just ready for solar. It's wired for solar. Pump heater. Here's the awning. Here's the slide. Battery's dead.
So power would be a concern with buying something like this. We'd have to figure out our solution for it.
Yeah, I mean, you keep your batteries charged. They wire into the truck.
Yeah.
So. It is big.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, put a lot of stuff in there.
Yep.
And it's got a, I think that's a little light. Some of the newer ones have an LED strip across there. It's got a light on either side. You know, the ones I've seen too have the another solar controller right there too, that you get wired in from the top. Of course, this one doesn't have that. Yeah, TV mount. So what do you think?
I like it. It's nice inside.
Would you live in it for 3 months?
I think so. We'd have to really, really think about what we're taking. Have to put a lot of thought into clothes and other things, because it doesn't matter how big this thing is. It's not big enough for everything in our 1,500 square foot townhouse right now.
Of course, we're not looking for that.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
All right. I also like that this has got the extreme weather Arctic package, so it really is a 4-season camper, which a lot of them aren't.
Yeah.
Unless you pay for that extra. So, yeah. Well.
Yeah. My biggest concern right now is power and how we're going to sort that out. Because it doesn't come with a generator, so we'd have to get solar or find a solution, get a generator, whatever it ends up being. Some kind of solution like that. So.
Right. Yeah. That's if we need more power than the batteries can provide in the evening.
Right, and more for boondocking than obviously if we're at a park, then we're fine. But this is like a boondocking solution. And I don't know how much boondocking we'll even be able to do with you having to work. Yeah. That's a whole different issue that we'd have to solve once we really decide to do this.
Well, if we boondock on the East Coast, then it's okay. Solar power is cellular everywhere.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is a West Coast / middle of the country problem. Right. So, yeah.
All right, well, as this cat comes over and makes Rachel's allergies go crazy.
Can't touch it.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And give us comments if you've seen these or if you have one or if you've used one.
Yeah.
I like the Forest River brand.
Yeah.